Hello, welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item in our used range, in that of a Coachman VIP 520 2018. So here is a good look at that particular caravan, the VIP range being the top of the range single axle that Coachman have to offer. Going with the two side locker boxes, space on the right for 26 kg gas bottles, and on the left for your step, your electric hookup cables and other light items, being careful and cautious of your nose weight. Being a VIP, it comes with the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got a wet locker box with 240 volt socket. You've also got an exterior barbecue point and that wonderful red logo going down the side of the caravan. This particular caravan does have a motor mover already fitted to it, and that's staying on the caravan. So a benefit there and saving on the additional expense. Also with the VIP range coming with the Alco Secure wheel lock as part of the standard fitment of the caravan. Stepping inside the caravan, the first thing you notice is a short cubby hole on the right hand side here. So being able to store items easily and safely from the awning should you wish. You've got the side dinette here. On the wall there, you see where the table that's currently positioned in the down position here clips on to create this side dinette area, but also can convert into a very generous sized single bed. You've got the cabinetry, so the two-tone cabinetry going throughout all the way down the caravan. A wonderfully large panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled by a medium-sized Hecky light, creating a fantastic feeling of space. The 520 being a 3-berth caravan and giving you extremely long front couches as well that could be slept on as single beds or can easily make up into a very generous sized double. Chest is recessed back because of those front lockers, so plenty of living space with a short pull-out table and also a PIR sensor for the alarm located in the right-hand corner there. You've got individual touch spotlights located throughout, and a really nice high quality of finish with the slow soft close locker doors. Slightly different tone going into the kitchen area. A very generous sized kitchen work surface, under counter fridge and plenty of storage in those drawers. You've also got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath, and an easy usable height microwave. Also benefiting from an omnivent in the kitchen area, and your Alder wet central heating as you're heating in this caravan, all command centre located above the habitation door. So stepping through to a very generous sized individual shower cubicle, as you see here. Plenty of space in the vanity area with the vanity mirrors, and also tucked away is some nice cabinetry, coupled with a high quality of finish on the sink. You have your Dometic toilet with your Aldi wet central heated towel rail, further storage above, and also a generous sized wardrobe here. We see the bathroom carpets located, the Alda header tank, and also the hanging rail. Storage as well located underneath. So that gives you a real good feeling, good understanding for what this VIP 520 2018 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions about this particular caravan or anything we have in stock, we'd love to hear from you. I hope you've enjoyed the video tour, albeit rather short. If you've got any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we'd love the opportunity to do business with you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.